Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, this song was a request from one of my subscribers. Okay, I was asked to break down Banquet by Theophilus. Okay, so the song was done in the key of G sharp, but I will be playing the key of F so that we all could get to see what they were playing or what they were doing. Okay, so in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that anytime I post a new video, you will get to see and to learn different stuff. Okay, so without much ado, let's jump in the song. Okay. Most holy, most holy, most holy one, we seek your face. Most holy, most holy, most holy one, we seek your face. With that being done, this was what I was doing. Okay, this is the first part of this particular song. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so I'm doing the F, the C, F, right hand is doing the F, the A, C, F, and A. Right, then we move to this particular chord. B flat, F, right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, and F. Okay, so basically from the 1 to the 4, then we move to the 6. Okay, the 6 I have the D, A, D. Right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Then we move to the 5. Then we come back to the 1. Okay, so the first lines that they sang this particular song, they follow this particular progression. Okay, most holy to that part that they said your presence, all follow this particular progression. They move to a different part of the song with the progression change. Okay, so that I will not trade you for gold, trade you for silver. This banquet really almighty. I will not trade you for gold, trade you for silver. This banquet really almighty. Okay, so that part follows a simple progression. So on the 1 to the 5 to the 4, then 1. Okay, then the part there that they sing, this banquet really almighty. Yeah, this banquet really almighty. Okay, this banquet really almighty. Yeah, almighty. That also follow the same progression. Okay, so that part you can include the 1, but depending on how you are counting, you might miss it. Okay, so already when the part that we played before, it was on the 4 to the 1. Okay, so already we are playing the 1. Okay, then this banquet really on mine. Then you move to the so. Okay, then to the fa, then do. Okay, so when you add both of this, it will go like this. Most holy, most holy, most holy one, we seek your face. Most holy, most holy, most holy one, for silver. This banquet really almighty. I will not trade you for gold, trade you for silver. This banquet really almighty. Okay, so after this particular part, okay, they will move to an interlude. Okay, goes like this. Okay, so what am I doing? Basically, okay, so like this. That is all, okay. And there's another part too which says that we have the Lion of Judah, Kadosh, Kadosh. Okay, so that part it goes like this. We have the Lion of Judah, Kadosh, 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 Kadosh. Okay, so that part it goes like this: 1, then 5, then 2, then Zila. Okay, then they'll say la 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 la. That's also another part. Okay, so the la 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 part it goes like this. La 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 la. Okay, one more time. La 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 la. Okay, so that part it goes from the 6. La 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 4. La 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 5. La 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 then 6. Okay, that's basically the code they use for this particular lesson. Subscribe if you have, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, feel free to also leave your request in the comment section. If I get to see it, I'm gonna break it down for you initially. Okay, so God bless you all. See you in another video. Bye.